Hey chat! What's up? We are gonna be doing Super Mario Sunshine. Wahoo! But it's the shitty Switch port, which means the camera's gonna be all fucked up. I like to pretend like I'm actually capable of my job. My god, is that Matthew? Is that Matthew? He keeps putting mystery sound bites on my fucking stream deck, so we have one more here. I don't know how I feel about that one. I don't know how I feel about that one, Matt. Yeah, shake it.
Mario?
No, bitch! He's sitting right next to you. Imposter. Kind of sus, dude.
That was ridiculous.
That's my grandpa, guys. That's my fucking grandpa right there. Yippee! Uh-oh. Who splooged on the runway?
What's this icky paint like goo?
What's this icky paint like goo? Yeah, Master Mario. Based on their, like, height difference, I know he ain't no master. This man is being pegged. Oh, absolutely. Are you guys ready to Bianco Hill game?
Power up
For like a million hours?
Thank you for purchasing this item from GAD Science Incorporated. Subject data.
It's very challenging
Subject
3D Mario, but it is personally my favorite, just based on pure
I am
nostalgia.
Flood, a flash liquidizer ultra dowsing device. I hope to be of
I'm
assistance.
dousing my pants, baby. You guys ready to get pissed on? You guys ready to get fucking pissed on?
Proceeding.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Ah! Dude, he's mean. There we go. Fuck you. Ah! Mario! It sounds like Yoda. Uh-oh! Hey, Cab! Mario, take out your phone and record! The cops are coming, Mario! Dude, Mario's in fucking jail, Poggle.
The truth is obvious. The guilty party sits among us. It is
Among Us!
I judge the defendant guilty as charged.
This isn't fair. This isn't a fair fucking... He's sitting on the floor, bro. It's just like,
This
damn.
appears to be the only way to ensure the return of the shine sprites is to
to
keep
piss
the
on
island
'em.
from becoming
Or that.
any dirtier.
Yeah.
The
Are we on a holy
perpetrator
crusade?
is likely, and you, Mario, are being treated as a criminal.
Yeah, because he is a
Tomorrow
criminal.
we must
Mario's
do
just a
our best to
crippling,
resolve this situation.
evil sociopath, chat.
You can't miss the mess, pal.
Fuck you,
Your first
copper.
job's to get rid of all that ugliness.
It's kinda hot. No comment. Ah, not the durian, dude. I'd like to just say that this is bullshit. Fuck! Hell. What are you aiming at? This game is actually hell. Maybe it's not hell, guys. Maybe I was being a little dramatic. Fuck you. Don't take my hoe. Take my fucking hoe.
Mario,
Where the fuck did he go? Oh, you think you're so fucking slick, don't you? Yes. Yeah, fuck you. Did he assault you, milady? Did he assault you? Girl, what are you stomping your fists at? Guys, we're opening Bianco Hill Gaming. Alright. Clean this motherfucker up. This man has splooged everywhere. This man is splooged everywhere. Oh shit, we're sliding in the shit, bro. Ah, leave me alone, you fucking hoes. Fucking fuck! This is actually fucking so hard, and for what? First level, first game, let's go, baby! You know what? Fuck it, I'm done. I'm actually so frustrated. I'm baby raging so hard. Bianco Hills is harder than Dark Souls, bro. Fuck this camera, fuck the camera. Love it, can't love not being able to see through the trees like it's fucking Vietnam. Fuck! I'm learning my limitations, baby. I love this game as a child. Why does it fill me with immense dread now? Whoa! That's what I fucking thought! Think smarter, not harder! Literally, I am so good. I am so good at the game. Look at me go! Look at me go! Look at me go! Ka-chow! No comment. No comment. I will never be cocky in the Mario game ever again. I'll never be cocky in the game again! Oh, cool. Okay, wait. Yippee! Oh shit! Wow! Dude, me when I wow! Wait, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fucking do it. Carefully walk to the edge. There we go. Okay, okay. Can you imagine I got to the shine and I just fucking fell off? I fucking screamed. Box guy. Wait, is Box guy in here? Oh my god, he is. Mario time for real? Mario time for real. Me when I hit the wahoo! Fuck you. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking... This whole game is just a test of my patience and my depth perception. This is gonna kill me, dude. Why? Fuck you! I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna break these boxes before I fucking concuss myself. Maybe? Okay, we're getting down to 3, which is honestly better than last time. Fuck you, stupid guy. Oh, that was good. Wait, wait, wait! Yes! Yes!
Please help me, I've lost all sense of hearing.
Bananas, bring me 3. You don't have ridiculous labor standards like the other lady. Fuck that lady. Hello, ma'am, I'm taking your bananas. Fuck you. No! Mario, why'd you do that? You bruised the fucking bananas. Are you dumb? Boom. Mario, you fucking dick! God damn it. Swag! Swish! Yippee! We got the boathouse, baby. Where's this blue coin? Oh.
Stupid!
You stupid.
Oh my god! Yes! Okay, There we go. There we go. We just had the cheese. I'm very bad at this game. I am so painfully bad at this fucking game. Yes! Have you ever had a Danimal smashed on the back of your head? I can't say that I have. Personally, no. Oh, please don't slide anymore. Dude, stop it! Stop it! You fucking sticky little man! Please! Please just move. Please just jump. Oh, sir. You realize that there is like a pyramid and like on this windmill? Time for parkour! Oh god, wait. Oh, yes! Get ready. Everybody clapped that I did that in like 2 tries. That was pretty sick. Ha! Badass! Me too, though. I'm gonna kill a fucking baby, guys. I'm gonna kill a child. What in the Audrey 2 is this? Fuck you! Fuck you! Oh my god! God, you suck! Fucking fuck! Alright. We're helping this baby discover an eating disorder. Awesome! Okay, one more time. Fuck you! Yeah, get fucked. Get fucked. First boss! Bianco Hills, baby! I will clean you, pathetic child of the oil spill. My question is the game hard or am I just a fucking pussy?
Skill issue.
Funny number! Funny number! Bro, we do be on a boat though. This fucking game is awesome. I know I'm not the fastest Mario player. But, I certainly am trying. Oh.
Goodbye, my back to the lobby.
Oh, shit. You guys ready? It's one of these fucking levels. Shit! God damn it! Mario, wake the fuck up! Wake the fuck up! Fuck this shit! Oh, fuck, okay? Very refreshing though, because I like the basic controls. You know, like, I'm not pissed about it. I'm not pissed about it. It's just game over.
Woke up the snow, got yourself a gun.
No, Mario. Oh my god, Mario, why? Walk. Walk.
Okie dokie.
Okay. Yes! Yes! Super Mario changes me as a person. What's up, Chuckster? No!
I don't care that you broke.
Oh, thank fucking Christ. It took me so long to get up here, bro. Thank fucking God! Yes! What are you guys fighting over here now? What are you guys fighting about? I think they should just fucking kiss. These are just 2 gay sailors. Oh, we only have 6. We only have 6. Fuck you, you stupid fucking rat. Skin you. Make you into my carpet. Oh, god damn it. God, that sucks. Mario's fighting a severe gambling addiction. Thank you for supporting him in such a trying time. Not dead yet. That's what counts. Oh shit, never mind. God damn it. You guys spaz. Oh, the princess. Right. Master Mario. Yeah, what about her? Alrighty, chat. I think I'm gonna hit it for tonight. Have a wonderful evening. Alright, have a good one. Love you guys and see you tomorrow at 7 p.m.